Supporting vitality and wellness, herbal medicine has long provided natural support for many aspects of men's health. From enhancing vitality to addressing specific conditions like prostate health and sexual wellness, herbs offer an effective and holistic approach to improving quality of life. We will explore some of the most well-regarded herbal treatments for common men's health concerns, along with their traditional uses, scientific backing, and cautions. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not designed to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Prostate issues, particularly benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, are a common concern for men over 40. Herbal remedies can help manage symptoms such as frequent urination, discomfort, and inflammation. Saw palmetto is known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-androgenic properties and has been widely used to reduce symptoms of BPH. Studies suggest it may inhibit 5-alpha reductase, an enzyme linked to prostate enlargement. Stinging nettle, often combined with saw palmetto, can reduce BPH symptoms by interfering with inflammatory pathways and improving urinary flow. Pygeum, derived from the bark of an African tree, is used to alleviate urinary symptoms of BPH, such as nighttime urination and incomplete bladder emptying. It is important to note that prostate issues should always be evaluated by a healthcare provider to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Sexual wellness and erectile dysfunction. Herbs have long been used to support libido, sexual performance, and vascular health. Ginseng, often called the king of herbs, is an adaptogen that can enhance stamina, improve erectile function, and boost overall energy. Studies show its ability to improve nitric oxide levels, promoting better blood flow. Maca root, native to Peru, is known for its aphrodisiac properties and ability to enhance libido and fertility. It is often used to combat low energy and hormonal imbalances. Horny goatweed, no pun intended, traditionally used in Chinese medicine, contains icariin, a compound believed to improve blood flow and sexual performance by relaxing smooth muscle tissue. Tribulus terrestris, popular in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine, is often marketed for testosterone enhancement, though its primary benefits may lie in improving libido and sexual satisfaction. Some of these herbs may interact with medications, particularly those for blood pressure or heart health, so caution is advised. Stress, energy, and vitality. Modern lifestyles can leave men feeling drained and stressed. Adaptogenic herbs help the body manage stress and improve energy levels. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen that reduces cortisol levels, combats stress, and boosts testosterone, making it ideal for overall vitality. Rhodiola rosea is known for enhancing physical and mental endurance and can help reduce fatigue and improve focus. Ginseng supports energy and mental clarity, making it a versatile herb for men. Overuse of adaptogens may cause overstimulation or disrupt sleep in sensitive individuals, so moderation is key. Heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death among men. Several herbs support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and managing cholesterol levels. Hawthorn is rich in antioxidants and strengthens the heart muscle, improves circulation, and helps regulate blood pressure. Garlic is known for its cholesterol-lowering effects and also reduces blood pressure and prevents plaque buildup in arteries. Cayenne pepper, containing capsaicin, improves circulation and may help lower blood pressure when used regularly. Herbs affecting blood pressure should be used cautiously in conjunction with medications. Hair loss and skin health. Hair loss can significantly impact self-esteem, and herbs can provide support by addressing hormonal imbalances and improving scalp health. Saw palmetto, in addition to prostate health, may block DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to hair loss. Rosemary oil applied topically can stimulate hair follicles and improve scalp circulation, promoting hair growth. Aloe vera, used for its soothing and moisturizing properties, can reduce scalp inflammation and improve skin health overall. Topical applications may cause irritation in sensitive individuals, so patch testing is recommended. Fertility and hormonal support herbs can also play a role in improving sperm quality, quantity, and motility. Maca root supports hormonal balance and improves sperm count and motility. Ashwagandha boosts testosterone and improves semen quality, making it a go-to herb for fertility. Shatavari, traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine, supports male reproductive health by improving hormonal balance. Hormonal herbs should be used under guidance if fertility treatments are already in place. Muscle and joint health aches and pains often accompany aging and physical activity, but herbs can reduce inflammation and promote recovery. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory properties and is effective for joint pain and stiffness. Boswellia, also known as Indian frankincense, is effective in reducing inflammation and alleviating arthritis symptoms. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties make it an excellent choice for sore muscles and joints. Excessive use of anti-inflammatory herbs can cause gastrointestinal upset, so they should be used in moderation. Herbal medicine offers a wealth of options for supporting men's health, addressing everything from prostate and sexual health to stress management, fertility, and heart health. However, it is essential to approach herbal remedies with care. Not all herbs are suitable for everyone, and potential interactions with medications should always be considered. Consulting with a healthcare professional or herbalist is recommended to ensure safe and effective use.